if you want to enable or disable voice guide in Samsung Frame TV, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the general options, move for the accessibility, and right now just go for the voice guide settings. Right now, when we select, we can simply turn it on, and when you scroll down at the volume, speed, pitch or TV background volume, you can adjust these options and just take a look how it works.
2 volume medium, 3 speed normal, adjust the tempo of voice guide.
Yeah, so right now I'm gonna just turn it off. So you have to select
enable or disable the voice guide feature. Voice guide will be provided in the
you have to basically click on this OK button to turn it off, or click OK another time to turn it on. And after that, you can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.